Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Powder Springs, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. In 2021, he listed his estate for $7,500,000. The equestrian estate has nearly 15,000 square feet, to go with more than 45 acres of land. According to reports, Johnson bought the property in 2019 for just over $9 million. According to Zillow, the home features exquisite detail, including wide plank old-growth walnut flooring, great stone fireplaces, high ceilings, great natural light, owner's suite on the main level that opens to flat walkout private backyard, pool pavilion, 2 apartments, 5-car garage and large flat grassy lawn area. The home overlooks a pristine lake, that includes lush pastures. It also includes a 12-stall barn, a riding arena, with viewing deck and a hay barn. There is also an 1867 farmhouse, with historic log cabin on the property. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.